Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to create a custom feed on Bluesky Social. First, open any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar, type Skyfeed and hit enter. Then, click on the Skyfeed app link and you'll be directed to the login page. Enter your username and click on the small icon next to app password. This will take you to a new page where you'll click Add App Password. Enter your app password and click Create App Password. Once created, you'll be shown your app password. Copy it, click Done, go back to Skyfeed, enter the password, and click Continue. This will open a page where you'll see the Feed Builder option on the left side. Click on Feed Builder and then click Create Your First Feed. Now, to create a custom feed, enter your feed name and click Add Blog. Afterward, choose the input where you are searching from within the custom feed. You can select a specific time duration as well. If you want to remove something from your feed, choose whether it's an image, text, or reply. Then click the button to remove it, and that content will be excluded. In the regex section, enter the word you're searching for in your feed. For example, if you want to search for philosophy, type that word in. Choose your target, e.g. post text, image alt text, or a link. And if you select post text, the feed will search for philosophy in post text. You can also make it case sensitive or apply other filters. You'll see a feed preview on the right side. Once you're happy with it, click Publish Feed. Add a description, choose a license, and click Publish. That's it. You've now created a custom feed on Bluesky Social. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.